I would request you to please stay on stage with us because अब हम आगे बढ़ेंगे हमारे first in class awards presentation का वक्त आ गया है. That moment you all have been waiting for has now finally arrived when we are moving forward to the inaugural first in class awards of 2026 presentation. For this, I would like to call on stage the chairperson of Sunday Guardian Foundation, Aishwarya Pandit Sharma as well. Dr. Sharma, could we please have you on stage? And also want to inform our audience that to determine the award winners, a special jury was constituted by us, comprising of a former High Court judge, a senior journalist, and the former secretary of CBSE. And now, the awards have been decided. Let's go straight across to begin with that announcement. The first big award, the best school overall for 2026 goes to two winners. First, Modern School, Barakhamba Road. To collect this award, we have Principal of Modern School, Barakhamba Road, Dr. Vijay Datta. Could we please have you on stage? Many, many congratulations to you. Let's keep the applause going as we announce the winners of First in Class Awards 2026. The Honorable Education Minister of Delhi, of course, is presenting these awards. Let's keep the applause going. Modern School, Barakhamba Road, winning Best School overall. Also, joint winner in this category of Best School overall is the Shiv Nadar School, Gurgaon. Collecting the award is Vandana Vadera, Early Years Head, Shiv Nadar School, Gurgaon. Could we have you on stage, Vandana Vadera? Many, many congratulations, Shiv Nadar School, Gurgaon, for also winning Best School overall today. The next award is Best in Academics. This goes to also two winners, RSKV number 2 Jama Masjid. RSKV 2 number 2 Jama Masjid wins the award for Best in Academics. Poonam Meena ji is with us, head of school. Please come forward to collect the award. On behalf of your school, let's keep the applause going. RSKV number 2 Jama Masjid winning Best in Academics. Also winning in this category is Government School SKV Mata Sundari Road. And joining us is Dr. Prerna Sharma, head of school, to collect this award. Best in Academics Award, Government School SKV Mata Sundari Road. Many, many congratulations. बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको. थोड़ा और जोश हो जाए कमरे में, तालियों की गूंज नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Best in Sports goes to Modern School Vasant Vihar. Vibha Khosla, Principal, Modern School Vasant Vihar, will collect the award. Many, many congratulations to you. In fact, some students are also there of Modern School Vasant Vihar, winning today for Best in Sports. The First in Class awards now continue, and the next award is Best in Sustainability. The Best in Sustainability Award goes to, in fact, three schools. The Yamuna River Initiative first. The Yamuna River Initiative Award to be received by Dr. Anviti Singh. Many, many congratulations. Dr. Anviti Singh, could we have you on stage, please? Dr. Singh, please join us on stage. The Yamuna River Initiative Award winner for Best in Sustainability. Also winning Best in Sustainability is Pathway School, Gurgaon. Pathway School, Gurgaon also wins Best in Sustainability Award. Meenakshi Singhal, Principal of Pathway School, Gurgaon, will be collecting this award. Many congratulations to Pathway School, Gurgaon. Best in Sustainability Award. And keeping the applause now going for the Study School. The Study School also wins Best in Sustainability at First in Class Awards 2026. Collecting the award is Shivani Wazir Pasrij, Director of the Study School. Many congratulations. The Study School winner today. And now, moving forward to Best in Skilling Award. The RD School wins Best in Skilling 2026. Pooja Bhatia will collect this award. Principal of the RD school. Pujani, could we have you on stage? Many congratulations to you. Best in Skilling Award, the RD school. And Shivnadar Early Years, Noida also wins. Best in Skilling. Sumita Malik will collect the award, Head Early Years. Sumita Malik, could we have you on stage? Shivnadar Early Years, Noida, congratulations. Also winning Best in Skilling Award. Daisy Dale School also wins Best in Skilling Award. Daisy Dale School winner, Best in Skilling. Nisha Bedi will collect the award. Principal, Daisy Dale School. Let's keep the award going. Daisy Dale School winner also in this category of Best in Skilling. Nisha Bedi collecting the award. Principal, Daisy Dale School. And now we are moving forward to Principal of the Year. Principal of the Year, Dr. Vijay Datta, Principal, Modern School, Barakamba Road. Many congratulations to you, winning this prestigious award of Principal of the Year 2026. And joint winner in this category for Principal of the Year is Miss Malika Preman, Tagore International School Principal, East of Kailash. Malika Preman, many congratulations to you, also winning this prestigious award for the year 2026 at First in Class Awards. And now the People's Choice Award for 2026 goes to 3 winners. First, Modern School Vasant Vihar. Modern School Vasant Vihar, joint winner of the People's Choice Award 2026. Vibha Khosla, Principal, Modern School Vasant Vihar, will collect this award. Vibha Khosla, could we have you on stage? People's Choice Award going to Modern School Vasant Vihar. Let's keep the applause going. Tagore International School, East of Kailash, let me also call you on stage for this next award. Tagore International School, East of Kailash, also winning People's Choice Award for 2026. Malika Preman will collect the award. Principal of Tagore International School, East of Kailash. Let's keep the applause going. People's Choice Award 2026, Tagore International School, East of Kailash, also winning today. And People's Choice Award also goes to the Kulachi Hansraj Model School, Ashok Vihar. Archana Kaul, Principal, Kulachi Hansraj Model School, Ashok Vihar, will collect this award, the People's Choice Award for 2026. Could we please have you on stage? Congratulations, Kulachi Hansraj Model School, Vasant Vihar, winning today. And the next award is Best in New Age Infrastructure. It goes to 2 schools. Shivnadar School, Gurgaon, winner of Best in New Age Infrastructure. Congratulations. Vandana Vadera will collect the award, Early Years Head of Shivnadar School, Gurgaon. Could we have you on stage? Congratulations, Shivnadar School, Gurgaon. Best in New Age Infrastructure. And the 2026 award for Best in New Age Infrastructure also goes to the Indraprasth Global School, Noida. Congratulations. Nikita Tomarman will collect this award. Principal, Indraprasth Global School, Noida. तालियों की गूंज रुकनी नहीं चाहिए, तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको. Nikita Tomarman collecting the award. Indraprasth Global School, Noida, winner in Best in New Age Infrastructure. And for Best in Career Counseling, the award goes to SKV Kirari. SKV Kirari, winner today in Best in Career Counseling. Seema Dahiya will collect the award, Head of School, SKV Kirari. Many congratulations to you. SKV Kirari winning today, Best in Career Counseling. Also winning the award is GBSSS, Nithari Village. Congratulations, Best in Career Counseling Award. Mithilesh Kumari Meena, Head of School, will collect the award on behalf of GBSSS, Nithari Village. Winner for Best in Career Counseling. बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको. Many congratulations to you. And for the Best in NEP Implementation, the award goes to 3 winners. Best in NEP Implementation, the Study School. Many, many congratulations. The Study School winning today. Shivani Wazir Pasri, Director. The Study School will collect this award for Best in NEP Implementation. बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको. Also winning for Best in NEP Implementation is Indraprasth Global School, Noida. Nikita Tomarman, Principal of Indraprasth Global School, Noida, will collect this next prestigious award, Best in NEP Implementation 2026. Many, many congratulations. Audience, lunch is on its way. Please keep up the energy. You will be getting food very, very shortly. But for that, you have to clap first. Okay, also winning today for Best in NEP Implementation is GBSSS Ramjas Lane, Karol Bagh. Dr. Khalik Ahmed will collect this award. Head of School, GBSSS Ramjas Lane, Karol Bagh. बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको. Congratulations. Best in NEP Implementation. And the next award is for Best Mental Health Program for 2026. Winner today is the RD School. Khushbu Abbott collects this award, Principal Pre-Primary. बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको. RD School winning today. Khushbu Abbott, congratulations, Principal Pre-Primary for the RD School. Winner, Best Mental Health Program. And winning today for Best Early Learning Institution now. Best Early Learning Institution Award goes to Golden Bells Early Learning. This award will be received by Dr. Rajiv Gupta. Dr. Gupta, many, many congratulations to you. Best Early Learning Institution, Golden Bells Early Learning. Dr. Rajiv Gupta collecting this prestigious award. Now over to Best Girls School of the Year. SKV Baba Ramdev Prasad Nagar wins Best Girls School for 2026. Manjurani, PGT History, will collect this award. Please, could we have you on stage for Best Girls School of the Year? SKV Baba Ramdev Prasad Nagar. Many, many congratulations. Now over to the final 2 awards for the afternoon. Best Urdu Medium School goes to Sarvodaya Bal Vidyalaya Jama Masjid. Gayur Ahmed, Head of School, will collect this award. Sarvodaya Bal Vidyalaya Jama Masjid, Best Urdu Medium School Award. बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको गयूर अहमद जी, Head of School, Sarvodaya Bal Vidyalaya Jama Masjid. And the final award for today is Best Hindi Medium School. Best Hindi Medium School goes to SKV Aram Bagh Lane. Priyanka Singh, Head of School, will collect this award on behalf of SKV Aram Bagh Lane. Best Hindi Medium School, SKV Aram Bagh Lane. बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको. Congratulations. आखिरी अब पुरस्कार है, please. थोड़ी तालियां हो जाए. And now, I request you to stay on stage.